Live from Utah's first TV station, ABC4 News at 10 starts now.
And good evening. Thank you for watching ABC4 News at 10. I'm Nick McGurk. Well, we begin with new information tonight on the gun range fire and a renewed search for the person or people who started it. Since just after midnight on Friday morning, crews have been working to contain the fire. We now know it's at 100% containment, but the fire located on the Salt Lake Ranger District of the Uinta-Wasatch Cache National Forest, just east of Bountiful, and that is where we find ABC4's Nicole Newman. Nicole, police think this destructive fire was caused by a campfire.
Nick, that's right. And again, we can report tonight that the gun range fire is 100% contained. It comes as Bountiful police look for the two individuals who are believed to have started a campfire that sparked it.
The fire was reported after midnight, but the individuals were seen earlier that evening around 9 p.m. sitting around a campfire at the location where the fire started.
Hours later, around 12:30 Friday morning, an inferno would spark that is now known as the gun range fire just east of Bountiful. The fire is now 100% contained with 321 acres burned. The acres burned is slightly lower than previously reported.
Early on, we just do a quick helicopter flight to get a rough estimate, and then later, when we feel like we have the containment lines in pretty good, we do a slower, low helicopter flight where they can get a good GPS of the perimeter location.
On Sunday, 2 hand crews, 2 engines, and a total of 125 firefighters worked to monitor any hot spots. We capture crews performing what's called cold trailing.
They actually go along in a line together and put their hand down in the ash and make sure that there aren't any hot spots.
Officials are asking anyone with information on the 2 individuals who may have started this campfire to please give Bountiful police a call. Live in Bountiful, Nicole Newman, ABC4 News.